I don't know how much I would be audible, but welcome back to another vlog. वहाँ पे मैं जा नहीं रहा, वहाँ पे बहुत भीड़ है बिकॉज इवेंट ही कुछ ऐसा है. I'll just switch the camera. So this is basically a mix of convocation people around here. आज convocation भी है हमारे passing out batch का, and the big event, the one you saw on the thumbnail, guys. This is it. This is the kind of crowd that's waiting for this to happen. And obviously मतलब why not, ये इतना बड़ा इवेंट है, मैं बताता हूँ आपको. So you know, you've been part of the vlogs, you've seen I was also part of the SARC, which is the Student Alumni Relations Cell of IIT Bombay. And हमारे पूरे टेन्योर में एटलीस्ट हम पूरा टाइम कोशिश करते रहे that the CEO of Ola Cabs, Bhavish Agarwal, comes here and किसी ना किसी इवेंट में तो हमें मिल जाए. But हमें फिलहाल तो नहीं मिला था पिछले ईयर, but these guys have done it. The new team at SARC has done it, and it's an exciting day because man, it will be a fanboy moment for me because I've seen Bhavish Agarwal as one of the CEOs and one of the alumni of IIT Bombay, जिनकी वजह से perhaps I started preparing for IIT Bombay. Imagine आपके आसपास जो Ola Cabs चलती हैं, the CEO of that, he's now moved on of course to the Ola Electric part of the venture, but all the same उन्होंने इस चीज़ को starting से ideate किया along with his fellow IIT Bombay alumnus. And ज़्यादा नहीं बोलने वाला मैं क्योंकि बहुत कुछ वो भी बताएंगे अभी, but I am very very excited. I cannot even tell you how much I was looking forward to such an event, such a day, and finally I get to meet him in person. तो देखते हैं कैसा रहता है. Let's quickly get started with the vlog. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel so that you keep receiving such updates. And these are the coordinators who made it possible for this to happen. हम last year पूरा भाई इसको वो कर रहे थे, plan out कर रहे थे. नाम बता दो जल्दी जल्दी. The people behind it: ध्रुव कोठारी, श्रीतोष, वैभवी, सिद्धि,
Hi, I am Vishal.
विशाल,
Ayush.
आयुष,
Hi, this is
श्लोक,
Jay.
जय, शिवम,
Ashish.
आशीष. सब कोऑर्डिनेटर्स है ना, थोड़ा ऐसे ही कोई भी आ रहा है भाई, मैं भी हूँ. सॉरी, पंचिका. ओके, दीज आर द कोऑर्डिनेटर्स. CTM का कॉल आ गया है. दिशित इज हियर. बढ़िया भाई, आप कैसे हो सर? मचा दिया. हम लास्ट ईयर पूरा लगे रहे, प्रहर्ष, एंड कुछ कभी हो नहीं पाया, बट यू गाइस डिड इट मैन. कांग्रेचुलेशंस टू द एंटायर टीम. बता भाई, कुछ बता कैसे हुआ ये पॉसिबल. कार्ड दिखा दे अपना सार्क कोऑर्डिनेटर, कैसे ऑफिशियल सा लगेगा.
मैं ध्रुव, डिज़ाइन कोऑर्डिनेटर सार्क में, और अभी डिज़ाइन का ही काम चल रहा है. इवेंट्स वालों ने और बाकी लोगों ने बहुत मेहनत की है सब ऑर्गेनाइज करने में. 2-3 दिन से पूरे दिन वहाँ पे ही थे, हम भी थे वहाँ पे, बहुत कुछ ऑर्गेनाइज किया.
फाइनलाइज कब हुआ था यार? इंट्रोड्यूस कर दे अपने आपको.
मैं आशीष HDA से. तो भावेश सर को बुलाने के लिए काफ़ी एफर्ट लगा हम लोगों को.
कंफर्मेशन कब आई थी? और
कंफर्मेशन अभी
कितनी एक्साइटमेंट, मैं इमेजिन भी नहीं कर सकता बिकॉज़ ट्रस्ट मी, लास्ट ईयर आई वाज इन सार्क एंड वी ट्राइड टू मेक इट हैपन, बट हुआ नहीं था.
ऑफ कोर्स 1 महीने से हम लोग लगे हुए हैं और कंफर्मेशन लगभग 7 से 8 दिन पहले ही आई है. तो हम लोग प्लान तो पहले से करके रखे थे, पोस्टर्स वगैरह हमने तैयार किए हुए थे, बट पूरे समय लगा हुआ था कि आएगी नहीं आएगी, कंफर्म होगा या नहीं होगा, क्योंकि काफ़ी बिजी शेड्यूल है. ऑफ कोर्स ही इज वन ऑफ द ग्रैंडेस्ट पर्सनैलिटी टू एवर कम फ्रॉम IIT बॉम्बे.
एक्स्ट्रा लोग जो अभी घुसे हैं बाहर,
या
4 गुना 5 गुना 10 गुना.
ऑफ कोर्स बहुत भीड़ है. लोगों को रोकने में हम लोगों की हालत ख़राब हो गई है. वहाँ पे सब लोग चिल्ला रहे हैं कि अंदर आने दो.
मैं बता रहा था भाई, मैं सार्क का एलुमनाई हूँ, जाने दो.
या
पूरा मान रहे थे सारे.
यस, काफ़ी ज़्यादा इन डिमांड इवेंट है.
आप आओ मेहनत करके IIT में. IIT वर्थ इट है, जो भी कह रहे नहीं है देख लो आप. ये
मैं वही कह रहा था भाई, he was one of the people who motivated me to join IIT, and अब finally we get to see him. I'm pretty excited about it. See you on the other end. So I can't speak very loudly, but अभी तक लोग तो एंटर नहीं किए हैं, बट जैसे हमने बाहर देखा, the crowd is crazy, and of course rightly so because the event is such. इतना मतलब I think this is perhaps the highest valuation CEO I'm ever meeting, if I may say so. नहीं, but ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Like he's one of the alumni because of whom I joined IIT Bombay, and this is where it gets exciting because अब एंट्री स्टार्ट होने वाली है क्राउड की. बहुत ज़्यादा लोग हैं, सीट्स उतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है ऑब्वियसली, दैट्स लाइक IIT Bombay की डेफिनेशन, बट ओके. And let's see how this unfolds. I'm very excited about it, thanks to the SARC team and me being an ex-SARC alumni. सीट मिल गई आगे की, and it's very excited about it. Let's see कैसा जाता है. Sir is here.
Hey guys, how are you all?
बढ़िया बढ़िया यार.
Welcome back to Eknoos channel.
Yes, and Rishi tells you to subscribe my channel.
हाँ,
है ना?
subscribe to his channel, to my
Subscribe
channel
to his
too.
channel,
And that's so-
subscribe
so-
to all IIT Bombay
Yeah,
YouTubers,
exactly.
right? Because it's a peaceful community.
Yeah.
And
We have a positive competitiveness between us.
Yes.
Like we support each other. And today we are so much excited to meet CEO of Ola.
मैं अभी वही बता रहा था कि कैसे स्टार्टिंग से लेके अभी तक, एंड सिंस दिस स्टार्टेड started in 2010 ओला, मतलब उनकी स्टोरी लाइक राइट फ्रॉम द फैक्ट कि उन्होंने कभी खुद आज तक कार नहीं खरीदी, पता है देखो उन्होंने और उनकी वाइफ ने कभी आज तक कार नहीं खरीदी है बिकॉज ये क्योंकि मतलब वो अपने बिजनेस कॉन्सेप्ट को इतना इन्फोर्स कर रहे हैं भाई कि दे ट्रस्ट इन देयर ओन बिजनेस कॉन्सेप्ट। इसीलिए लेट्स सी, आई गेस नाउ पीपल हैव स्टार्टेड ट्रिकलिंग इन, स्टार्ट करते हैं, देखते हैं कैसा रहता है।
So tonight it seems all of you are filled with enthusiasm, is it?
Yes.
So today we are here for the first event of the session called the CEO Connect, and our special guest for the evening is an IIT Bombay alum of Forbes 30 under 30, one of Time Magazine's 100, one of the 100 most influential people, and founder. And the founder of 2 Indian unicorns, Mr. Bhavish Agarwal. Mr. Bhavish Agarwal is an Indian entrepreneur who is the founder and CEO of the ride-sharing company Ola Cabs, established in December 2010. Today, Ola Cabs boasts over 1.5 million driver partners. We all are extremely excited to hear from him. So let's call him on the stage with a huge round of applause. Please welcome Mr. Bhavish Agarwal.
I'm asking, is it students or a mix of students and professors and students? Okay, maybe 99% students. You know, looking at all of you, I'm assuming it's a mix of bachelors, first year, second year, third year, masters, etc. मुझे अपने यहाँ पे 4 साल याद आ गए. Today I came in, saw all the people outside the convocation hall taking photographs with each other. It was just 14 years ago I was going through the same emotions. So I'm really excited to be here. I thank the SARC team who organized this whole thing, and I'm looking forward to our conversation. Thank you for having me. One more thing I said. कोई मुझे मिस्टर भविष अग्रवाल नहीं बताएगा, ठीक है? Just call me भविष.
He also went on to talk about यार कितना ये IIT Bombay actually उनकी जर्नी का पार्ट रह चुका है and how it actually impacted him. His life was actually transformed here in his 4 years at IIT Bombay. Let's hear him talk about that.
No, I'm my 4 years here were what I would say the best years of my life. When you are in this, in IIT, you don't realize how lucky you are. जो 4 साल में आप दोस्ती, रिश्तेदारी तो दूर होती है. Although I met my wife in IIT, so for me, the kind of friendships you take away from here are going to be your lifetime treasure. Your session where the CS department convocation, they were about, I would say, 1/3 women, 1/3 girls, and it's very encouraging to see more and more diversity coming across. Many things feel different. It feels larger, it feels wider, but in many ways it's still the same. आप लोगों में मुझे वही दोस्त दिख रहा है मेरे को मेरे फ्रेंड्स में दिखता था जब मैं यहाँ बैठा होता था. ये बिल्डिंग नहीं थी, हमारे इस तरह के इवेंट LT में होते थे. अभी भी LT है. So we used to have these kind of events, and I remember when I was in my first year. Yeah, I don't know who the speaker was, some similar CEO Connect program, and I went there and I said, "Aage se koi CEO Connect nahi aata." Hopefully today is different. In IIT, I was in the CS department, so I was reasonably good at academics before I got into IIT. And at IIT, I decided to spend a lot more time just understanding myself and my passion. I spent a lot of time doing a lot of extracurricular activities, organizing different kind of festivals. I used to cycle. I cycled halfway to Goa once. Spent a month in the Himalayas. Did a lot of freelance projects for pocket money, web design. उस समय में website बनाने का बहुत वो था जो आजकल में भी apps बनती हैं. So a lot of my time went into exploring a lot more broader things. And then when I had to choose an internship, I chose Microsoft because it was not a typical. मेरे सारे batchmates लोग, many of them were applying to foreign university. Foreign तुम क्या रहा सबको? अभी भी होता है क्या? अभी भी होता है. तो stand करते हुए भी होता है. So I decided not to do that. I decided to go somewhere where I could just learn more about technology and research, and that was my experience at Microsoft. It was very different from what I would have imagined a software job to be like. It was very open-ended, and I would recommend all the people here who are technologically inclined to definitely think of experiencing research. The classroom में हम obviously बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं, but definitely try and experience research.
And the next segment is rather interesting, where Bhavish Agarwal unwraps some questions about himself विच आर कॉमनली गूगल्ड और वो उसको आंसर करते हैं खुद और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कुछ ये क्वेश्चंस है. लेट्स क्विकली वॉक थ्रू दिस सेगमेंट.
So, the first question, what is Bhavesh Agarwal's favorite vacation destination?
Are you sure that comes up as the first?
Yes.
Really? You know, first, when was our last vacation, Raj? I think I would also like to know that question.
Guys, you are open for suggestions.
My wife is here, so I should not be. I don't want to get into the vacation conversation right now. Coffee with Karan हो गया यार.
Sir, बार-बार थोड़ी आते हो आप. What is Bhavesh Agarwal's most prized possession?
What is my most prized possession? You know, my my wife is not a possession. You know, I would say my relationship with myself. You know,
What is Bhavesh Agarwal's favorite Ola moment?
You know, my most favorite moments are these annual launches that we do now on 15th August every year. Like I don't know how many of you have seen our 15th August launches.
Yes.
So within that also my favorite moment is when I get onto the roof of my factory. Yeah, so I love getting onto the roof of my factory. It's a 20-meter high roof, lot of strong winds. My team wants me to harness up and I don't like to harness. So that's my most favorite moment.
Truly amazing. What is Bhavesh Agarwal's dog's name?
You know, I want to know why is this even a relevant question to this audience?
This is no question, sir. We didn't do anything.
My wife and I have two beautiful dogs at home, and not just that, we have adopted about 15 odd dogs, street dogs in our office. Punjabi speaker, Madi Moti aati hai mainu. Punjabi is in the house. Very Punjabi maaf kar dena yaar. Am I a fitness freak? Say 2 unicorns and then answer me, okay? I used to be when I was your age in IIT, I used to be a massive fitness freak. I have spent a month in the Himalayas in one of my summer breaks, I think second year or third year. I have cycled from Manali to Leh. तो कोई तो करना है जिसने बोला था ना. मेरी bucket list बढ़ रही है. So I used to be, but I have learned the hard way that you should not give up on fitness. So hopefully soon I will be very back into it.
ये तो पता है.
I think next week will come.
Yes or no?
Raj, you want to answer this question? No? I think we should not answer this question. But okay, I'll answer this question. The only thing I know how to cook is Maggi because how did we come up with the name Ola? It is Spanish for hello, somebody said it there. But you know what? I wanted a name when I was giving the name. I wanted a name which was young and youthful and energetic. And Ola fit the bill. But there are many other names also. But the reason we chose Ola was in the end domain.com domain available now. How did I get an internship at Microsoft? Actually, जिसने भी पूछा he knows my grades from IIT Bombay. That's why he's asking me like ये grade के बावजूद कैसे दूसरे में? देखो जब मेरा फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर होता तो मैं 9 पॉइंट रखा. लास्ट सेमेस्टर वाला नहीं बताऊंगा. I got into Microsoft because देखो मैं CS में था तो CS में Deloitte वालों की थोड़ी सी पहचान होती है. Any CS department people here? How do I relax? Instagram. I get more Twitter than Instagram, but no, see, I really enjoy what I do. I enjoy every day at office. I don't think of it as a burden or a stress. And every day I come back home and my wife Raj, she just sometimes comments कि तुमको एकदम relax लग रहा है. Because actually there are day-to-day stresses here and there, but there is no real burden that you carry if you enjoy what you do. मुझे तो बहुत मजा आता है. सुबह जाता हूँ. I work with the brightest minds in the country. So many very smart, super smart engineers and managerial people. I have the privilege of working with such a world-class team on such a world-class set of problems that we've chosen for ourselves. So there's no need to relax.
How did Bhavesh Agarwal select his hairstyle?
Select. ये भगवान ने जितना दिया उसमें मेहनत करना है।
And about the last question, I guess ये सबको जानना होगा. So let's open it. How to contact Bhavish Agarwal?
Drop me a direct message on Instagram. That was fun. मेरा क्या फायदा दे दो मुझे तो।
Let's talk about something interesting. I just came to know पहली बार ऐसे सेशन में, and ऐसी चीज़ें सिर्फ आपको ऐसे कॉलेज के सेशन में मिलती है. His wife was actually he started dating his wife in his third year. थर्ड ईयर में ही asked her out, उन्होंने मना किया. फिर फोर्थ ईयर में उन्होंने उनको पूछा, and rest has been history. They're husband and wife today, and a very good couple. And बहुत मतलब मज़ा आया उनसे बातचीत करके. वो जब बता रहे थे अपनी स्टोरी के बारे में. Let's hear him talk about that.
Yes.
Behind every successful man, there is a sometimes always have to. On a serious note, when in an entrepreneur's journey, there is a lot of hard work. We started dating when I was at the start of my fourth year, and she has known me since before anything called Ola ever existed or I had any job or anything, right? So her support, many times I have been absent from home at days on end, maybe not physically absent but mentally absent because mind is always so caught up in building what we are building. But she has always stood like a rock by the side of me. So I really want to thank her. Sole responsibility of that. I will not put that on anybody else's shoulders. No, I'm saying, मैं इसको आंसर नहीं करना चाहूँगा. It's obviously not my girlfriend who is now my wife, Raj. Although we did start dating in my fourth year. So fourth year में थोड़ी कम पढ़ाई हुई थी. But CPA तो खराब पहले ही होती थी.
Sir, क्या आप ही की जनता है? आते रहो.
Sorry?
Keep coming back to the screen.
I just want to end today by saying that I just want to reiterate that have fun in whatever time you have here. This is the best place in the country, probably the world. You have the best of people around you as your friends. You have the best professors here to learn from. And make sure life में जो भी करो, पूरा दिल खोल के करो और बड़ा एम रखो. ठीक है? All right. Good to meet you.
As we promised.
That was such an elegant, excellent and extraordinary session. I hope you all agree, right? Yep. Now I would like to request Naman Agarwal, our overall coordinator, to come up on the stage and present the memento.
Let's have a big applause.
Thank you. Good job.
Thank you so much, sir, for taking out time from your very busy schedule. We at SARC would like to thank Dean ACR office for giving us the opportunity to have this interaction. So after the session ends, there are refreshments for you, so do enjoy. That's all from my side for today. Harshil Khatri signing off. Thank you.
Bye, sir. So, as the session ended, of course, it was a great session and बहुत मज़ा आया मेरे को. तो मतलब लास्ट तक गए सर के पास, सर की कार तक, which was again an Ola rental because like I said, he has pledged never to buy cars. उनके पास कभी कार नहीं है ज़िंदगी में, ना कभी खरीदी उन्होंने, ना कभी खरीदेंगे. So that's the proof of business that he's working on. But anyways, I met him. Can you introduce yourself?
Hello guys, I'm Aditya from Elect Department.
आदित्य फ्रॉम इलेक. एंड भाई जैसे ही खत्म हुआ, आदित्य ने बोला यार आपकी वीडियोस देख के IIT बॉम्बे आया हो भाई, दिल खुश कर दिया. इवन तो सर से मिलने का मौका नहीं मिला, बट आदित्य थैंक यू सो मच यार.
मैंने एक फोटो ली, मैंने एक सर के साथ फोटो ली.
सर बोल रहे भाई 1 साल बड़ा हो गया ऐसे
आपके साथ
कर रहेगा.
आपके साथ ली, सर के साथ फोटो ली. आप भी सर ही हो.
नहीं ठीक है, सही है. मैं नहीं ले पाया सर के साथ फोटो. यू आर लकी.
वैसे रियली आपकी वीडियोस ने काफ़ी हेल्प करा था. लास्ट के टाइम में मैं आपकी वीडियोस देखता था.
थैंक यू यार, थैंक यू सो मच. And you made my day. मतलब that's a good ending to the vlog. We'll be back with more such vlogs and अच्छी लगती है लोगों को, फिर लोग आते हैं तो मुझे भी अच्छा लगता है. So that's Harshil. He was the organizer here. I mean, you were the host there and well hosted, Harshil. Thank you so much. A huge congratulations to the entire coordinator team. And let's end this vlog with like, share and subscribe. To his channel. Bye bye guys. Thank you. Yes, yes. इन लोगों ने मचाया. बोल ले ऐसे Instagram इंस्टाग्राम यूजुअली अगर तुम बोल दो वीडियो पे तो आ जाती है यार। सालसा 9 की लड़की मिल जाएगी, तू बोल दो।
I'll drop you a mail.
ठीक है, थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच। दैट वाज एन ऑसम व्लॉग एंड बहुत दिनों बाद ये व्लॉग बन रहा है एंड होपफुली आपको भी अच्छा लगा होगा। साइनिंग ऑफ, बाय बाय गाइस, गुड नाइट।